Exploring is great and all, until you hit a brick wall. No more moving, uncertainty. What just happened?
Alright, trail 279. This looks like a pretty gnarly trail just starting off. Damn it, bro, and it's thundering. I'm just gonna go up a little bit, see how it looks like, if it gets a little gnarly. I don't know how the KLX250 will handle this trail, but sure is rocky. Come on. Okay, it's getting sick. I gotta go back to first. Whoa, man. Did it overheat? Uh-oh. Think it might be time to turn around. I might have overheated this bike. Yeah, I think I did. Well, to be continued. This trail was a non-stop climb. I mean, I also did Baldwin Lakes.
I know, solo exploring should never be done. By yourself, of course. But let's be honest, sometimes we just can't hold back. And we need a bit of that throttle therapy.
Damn, that's one hell of a view. Hopefully I didn't seize the engine or something. That would suck if I did seize it. I'm just gonna see if it turns on at least. Interesting. It doesn't turn on. Time to head home. I don't know, it just started, but I think what happened was I overheated it. Oh, I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. It's this cable. That has to be it. Well, I found my issue. That's a good thing. So if your KLX ever dies, just go ahead and put it on neutral. And if it starts, you know exactly what it is. Oh shit, come on. I've been through this thing so many times with this KLX. Battery died.
So let's rewind a bit and check this clip out. I already looked at the cable, but I must have overlooked at the wire that was frayed. And indeed, this was the issue. The minute the wire is cut, the circuit can't complete, therefore won't start.
Hope it's not hailing. I just gotta go up there. Ah, man, this is the bad part. I only moved like 3 feet. I'm almost there. I just gotta go in that little corner and it goes down again. Got it. Whew. Whew, this is steep. Good thing for downhill trails, right? To give you an idea, this is what I was climbing all the way up. And I'm riding my brakes too to give you an idea, you know. Man, I'm so happy for downhill trails. Well, anyways, guys, I'll probably post another update, let you know what caused this issue. Because it does start on neutral, so I have a really strong feeling it's just that kickstand.
The KLX250, without a doubt, has been a great machine. It is one that I can trust in, and I know it will never give me a serious problem. Easy to work on, cheap, and a perfect exploring machine. But like any manufacturer and models, some come with some quirks here and there that need attention eventually.
Still going downhill. This entire way back has been downhill only. That's hilarious.
I don't want to make this video too long, and this video was more of how my adventure went during this day. Instead, I will come out with another video pointing out a few weaknesses from the KLX250 that can possibly be fixed within a day.
Woo, come on! First gear pin! It got back up. Wasn't that steep, but it was steep. It's a nice little campground. Woo! Water! Like probably needs to cool off anyway. That's what's driving me nuts in these high elevation states. Is, you know, once I find that, like, this is all steep climb right here, but this is like probably 11,000 feet. But once I gotta slow down, I gotta be on the rest on second gear. Woo! Like right here, I'm giving it full throttle on second gear, it's making it.
Anyhow, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, and if you are interested in some of the dirt bike gear I use, just click below on some of the links and check them out on Amazon. And I'll catch you guys on my next video.
Wow, this is a really long trail, dude. I haven't even covered. I don't even think I covered like 10% of this trail. The rocks is so much fun. I don't know, I just love riding on rocks. See if I can... Alright, you gotta go back first. Woo! Alright, now it's getting steep. Which, by the way, I'm going to add an airbox. We're going to do the airbox mod on this guy. You know, the only reason I haven't done any mods to this bike is I want to do most of the trails, a lot of trail stock. Just to see, you know, if I can. Woo, look at this one. Damn, that's one hell of a view. Did it overheat? Uh-oh. Think it might be time to turn around.